Oh, here we go. 2026 Bowman. Good luck. See what we can find. The box. We got one autograph, 20 packs. Let's mix these packs up. I think the last time we had that first pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just mix them up, trying to get them. I'm gonna get that auto not on the very top. It'll be somewhere in here though. Here we go. Pack number 1. Jose Ramirez. Connelly Early. Oh, there we go. Nice one. It's a nice red rookie redemption there. For the Yankees. Who ended up with the Yankees? Spencer. I'm sure that one's probably going for a little decent little bit. Moon first. Gonzalez. Jace Mitchell first. J.R. Ritchie and Gage Jump. Let's start that for Spencer. All right, Hunter Goodman, Bryce Terang, Kalen Culpepper, under the radar. TJ Rumfield, number to 399, Lava, first. Another one for the Yankees. Caden Scarborough, another Caden Scarborough. Ethan Holiday, that's a first Ethan Holiday we've seen, I think, in 3 boxes we've opened. And Gonzalez. That over there. Number right there. And our inserts there. Next pack. Kyle Stowers, Bryce Eldridge, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz, another Yankee, number 98. Eric Hartman, Kendry Martinez, Wyatt Sanford, Charles Davelin, and Jared Jones. Actually watched Charles Davelin play on Sunday. The Loons up in Midland here in Michigan. Dodgers high single A team. Sasaki, Otani, Tommy Troy, number 92. Kenley Hunter, first. Matt Klein, first. Yen Delfrey, Encarnacion, Bullard, first. And Meja, first. And his teammate, Mike Sirota, who got drafted by the Reds, but got traded to the Dodgers. He just got called up. He was hitting pretty good there for the Dodgers single A team. Crochet and our auto, Wyatt Sanford for the Pirates. Jocelyn, there you go. Wyatt Sanford. George Lombard, Arroyo, Espinoza, Brendan Nett, and Josh Owens. All right, there's our auto. 3 boxes so far, 3 base autos. Got one more box coming soon. Hopefully that one has some color in it. Basalo, Jimmy Crooks, Leo DeVries, Bowman Sterling, Matthias Lacombe, Josh North, Monaster, Bazana, and Daniel Hernandez. Next up, flipped around. Gunnar Henderson, Akamoto, Chase Burns, rookie, Bowman Sterling, rookie, Walker Jenkins, mini diamond, J.R. Ritchie, Bullard, Blake Mitchell, and Anderson Royal. Something like that. Burns, I'm not sure how he's doing, but he's throwing some heat for a while there. Oh, here we go. I'm trying to see, is this like an insert, maybe? Maybe we'll save this one to the end. Push these down. Looks like gold potential insert, maybe? Let's see if I can see. It said like 80 on the side. Never seen that one. Kyle Schwarber, Marte, Franklin Arias, Arroyo, Robos, Mendez, George Lombard, and Moon. You think it's gotta be, huh? I don't know if it's anime. I don't think it's the anime. That'd be unreal, but Sprout, Trey Turner, Aquarte, Electric Sluggers, Aloy first for the Orioles, Reptilian, Salas, Victor Arias, Maury, and Nelly Taylor first. Let's put that there. Okay, even more gold sticking out over here. Oh, I've never seen the. I don't know all the inserts, I guess, but am I Matt Olson, Ethan Holiday, number 10, number top 100, Bazana, Lynn first, Bean, Peterson, and Zaire Hope. Come on, be something good. Don't think it's an auto, but I mean, you never know. You never know. Rylan Waldschmidt, Luis Morales for rookie, Mookie Betts, Figueroa, Figueroa, I don't know. First X Factor for the Orioles again. Patrick Copen, Cade Anderson, and Yervert Perez and Keaton Anthony. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Fernandez, Nick Kurtz, Alex Freeland, Cooper Pratt, number 40, Celestin, Jared Jones first, Cole Emerson, and Figueroa again. Cole Young, rookie, Will Smith, Samuel Bazzalo under the radar, and Yervert Perez, Kevin McGonigal, TJ Rumfield, and Arquette, something like that. Then the football break, stick around. We'll be doing it right after this. Chase the Lauder, rookie. Roman Anthony, rookie. Jesus Made, Electric Sluggers. Braden Nett, first Reptilian. John Carlos Seal. Riley Nelson. Jermaine. And Billy Carlson. Nice little pack of rookies and stuff. Slugger, that insert. Got a Roman Anthony base rookie along with Chase the Water. All right, about 5 packs left, and then our gold card here. Oh, we got another numbered Marcel Meyer, Sal Stewart rookie, Carson Benji, and George Lombard to 199. This is just the Yankees box for Spencer. Probably missed the first one. Juan Sanchez, Bryce Rayner, Dari Fernandez, and Santa. Lombard to 199. Spencer, did you miss the start? You got a Cam Red rookie. Could be pretty good. Potential rookie of the year. Maybe. Bryce Matthews rookie. Luke Kershaw. Oh, I think it's one of these. Oh, he can't? Oh, dang, that's dumb. Quintero, number 34. So it must be whoever's number 80. Someone wants to cheat. Andrew Fisher, Ibiguaram, something like that. Dorches, Ortiz, and Jack Wheeler. Really? Murakawa can, right? And is that his name? No. The dude for the White Sox, he could win, right? Murakawa? Is that how you say it? Yeah, okay. Wyatt Langford, Christian Moore, rookie. Power chords. Urana, Kendry Churio, Gudes, Arnold, Sanchez. Yeah, people are jumping on that one. That's for sure. I think I just shipped that one out to Andy this week. Devers, Condone, Power Chords, Nance, Andrew Tess, Kevin Fiend, Theo Gillen, and Luis Kova. Anyone look up who number 80 is? I think it was 80. 80 something at least. Michael Harris, Aaron Judge, Carson Williams, rookie, Connor Griffin, Bowman Sterling, Waldschmidt, Blake Mitchell, Aiden Miller, Lacombe, and Tess. All right, here we go. Let's check out our last pack here. We got a gold. Number 50. Here's a Cam. Zach Neto. Another Cam. And number 80, Bo Davison. Number 50. Number 80 on the top 100. Number 44 out of 80. Or 50. For the Giants. Eric. Quintana. Anthony Martinez, Walcott, and Kim. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's always the luck of the draw there, isn't it? All right, we'll do a little recap here. We'll get these out of the way, and then we'll tag in the football guys. All right, a little recap. Some of the inserts and such. Some fun prospects there. Got a Cam. Another Cam under the radar. Christian Moore. DeLauder. Anthony. Salo. Aguero. First refractor. Ethan Holiday. Aloy. Chase Burns. Rookie. Ethan Holiday. Base. We got a Cam. Red rookie. Lombard to 199. Net, whatever, Reptilian, Walker Jenkins, Mini Diamond, and Rumfield to 399. So some nice Yankees cards there. Our auto was Wyatt Sanford, base auto, and then Bo Davison to 50. So pretty solid. 3 numbered cards, auto, red rookie, some nice rookies and prospects. There we go. That'll do it.